For your comfort, the interior of your BMW is cooled, ventilated, or heated via Remote Engine Start. Once you have enabled the automatic engine start, you can use the system. Go to Car, Settings, Climate Comfort, Preconditioning Ventilation, Remote Engine Start, Starting Engine for Climate Control, and confirm the disclaimer. It is possible to switch the system on or off directly in various ways, via the BMW Operating System 7, via the BMW Connected app with your vehicle key, or via the BMW display key. In order to activate or deactivate the system using your vehicle key, press the lock button 3 times within 1 second. It will take around 3 seconds for the engine to start. To turn the engine off, press the lock button 3 times again. With the BMW Connected app, the system can activate, stop, or plan the preconditioning, even without being in the vicinity of the vehicle. In case you want to activate Remote Engine Start using the display key, go to Preconditioning Setting and tap the symbol. Select Activate Now and Engine Start. The flashing of the turn indicator shows you that the system has been switched on. The system switches off automatically after approximately 15 minutes. You can also switch off the engine directly by pressing the Start-Stop button without pressing the brake pedal. Before driving off, press the brake pedal and the Start-Stop button. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.